Hello dear students, today we will start a new chapter, that is number system. I think you must have read this chapter in previous class also. So let's discuss what is a number system. A number system is a way to represent numbers. Numbers को represent करने का तरीका number system कहलाता है. Like in junior classes, you must have count numbers with your finger like 1, 2, 3 like this only. So this is a way to represent number. This is also called a number system, and most commonly used number system is decimal number system that we use in our mathematics. Different types of number system are: first is binary number system, that is of base 2. Second is octal number system, that is of base 8. Next is decimal number system, that is of base 10. Next is hexadecimal number system, that is of base 16. Now what are these base values? These base values represent total numbers that are used in that particular number system. Like base 2 means in binary number system only 2 values are there. Base 8 means in octal number system only 8 values are there. If base is 10, that means 10 values are there, and base is 16 means 16 values are there. And this base value is also called radix. Next is, what is a binary number system? Binary number system, as name shows, base 2, it has only 2 symbols, that is 0 and 1. इसलिए हम इसे base 2 number system भी बोलते हैं. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम हमारे कंप्यूटर के सबसे क्लोजेस्ट होता है, क्योंकि हमारा कंप्यूटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे वर्क करता है. तो 0 किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? ऑफ को. और 1 किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? ऑन को. हमारा कंप्यूटर वैल्यू ओनली ट्रू फॉल्स को अंडरस्टैंड करता है, तो 0 क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? फॉल्स. एंड 1 क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इज ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम क्या है? इसमें 8 सिंबल्स हैं फ्रॉम 0 to 7. नेक्स्ट इज डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में क्या है? 10 सिंबल्स हम यूज कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम 0 to 9. द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम is used in mathematics. Like if you want to represent 10, then what number you will use? 1 and 0, 11, 1 and 1, 19, 1 and 9. तो हम किन नंबर्स का यूज करते हैं? फ्रॉम 0 to 9 only. नेक्स्ट इज हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम क्या है? इसमें 16 वैल्यूज हैं 0 to 9 एंड आफ्टर दैट A to F. जहां पर A किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? 10 को. B किसको करेगा? 11 को. C किसको करेगा? 12 को. D 13, E 14, F 15. Next is how we represent numbers in this number system. If we want to represent any value, like if I am representing 1 and 0, then I have to write this 2 to represent that it is of base 2. It is of binary number system. If I will not write this particular base value, that it can be counted in any of the number system, because 0 and 1 is present in every number system. So we have to mention that which base value it has. Like if I have written 2 base, then it means binary. If I have written 8 base, that it means octal. If I have written 10 base, that it means decimal. And if I am written 16 base, that it means hexadecimal number system. Now in every number system we use positions. These number systems are positional. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? उनकी पोजीशंस को काउंट करते हैं. और पोजीशंस को काउंट कहाँ से करते हैं? फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. अगर हमें किसी की पोजीशन का पता लगाना है तो हमें राइट से शुरू करके लेफ्ट पे जाना होगा, और हमारी काउंटिंग शुरू कहाँ से होगी? फ्रॉम 0. ओके. Now how we convert these numbers? Because as you know, we use decimal number system and our computer use binary number system. So how we convert binary to decimal? If we want to convert binary number system into decimal, then let us take a value that is 10101, which is of base 2. That means it is a binary value, and we have to convert this in decimal value. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम इसकी पोजीशन वैल्यूज लिखेंगे. Here you can see that this one is of 0 position, then first, then second, then third, then fourth. अगर और values होती तो we will write their positions 5, 6, 7. From right we started from 0 and we are going to left side. नेक्स्ट स्टेप हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी डिजिट्स हमारी उस वैल्यू में दी हुई हैं उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसकी पोजीशन को उसके पावर में ले जाएंगे. डिजिट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, देन द पोजीशन वैल्यू गोज इनटू द पावर ऑफ 2. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस इज आवर number 10101. These are their positions 0 1 2 3 4. And what we'll do now, we will write the digit that is 1 multiplied by 2, then their base value 0. 1 into 2 की power 0, then 0 into 2 की power 1, 1 into 2 की power 2, and so on. This is how we write these values. Now we will solve this equation. If 2 raised to the power 0, that means 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 2 की power 1, 2 की power 1 means 2, and 0 into 2 means 0. 2 की power 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 into 1 is 4. 2 की power 3 means 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 into 2, that is 8. But 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Next is 2 की power 4. 2 की power 4 means 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. And then 8 into 2, that is 16. And 16 into 1 is 16. Now this step is also complete. Now next step is add those numbers. If you will add those numbers, you will get your answer. 16 plus 0, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 0, 20. And 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. And we will write 21 base 10. It means it is of base 10. I hope you understood this binary to decimal conversion. Now let's see how we convert decimal values into. Now here it is written a decimal value, that is 21. I have written that value only. 21 is of base 10. That means it is a decimal value, and we have to convert it into binary value. The first step that we will do is we will divide this number by 2 and write their remainders. रिमाइंडर को हम साइड में लिख लेंगे, नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. तो मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पर 21 को 2 से डिवाइड किया. आफ्टर वी डिवाइड 10 will come here and remainder is 1. Again we will divide it by 2, then there will come 5 and remainder will be 0. Again we will divide this by 2, then 2 2s are 4 and remainder will be 1. Then again we will divide this by 2, 2 2s are 4, here will come 2 and remainder will be 0. Again we will divide this by 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, here will come 1 and here will come 0. Now the next step is write these reminders from the bottom to the top. These are the reminders and we have to write this from bottom to the top. 1 0 1 0 1. I have written 1 0 1 0 1 and this is of base 2 value. I hope you all must have understood these conversions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.